learn about the Roman numerals. Before Roman numerals, I want to give you the first class I gave you the history of the numbers. So there the numbers were used, that 0, 1, the single digits. The single digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the 10 single digits. These were used by the Indians. Okay, the symbols, these were the symbols given for the counting of the numbers, and these were used by the Indians, but it was spread by the Arabs. Arab country, one mathematician, he spread to the whole world. So these numbers are called Hindu-Arabic numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals. So these are used by the Indians. Indians are called Hindu people, and the Arabians spread by the Arabians. So this is called Hindu-Arabic numerals. And the Romans, they also used the counting of numbers. For that, the symbol they used is the English alphabet. For 1, they used for I is for number 1. Again, 5 is for B is for 5, again 10 is X is for 10, again L is for 15, then C is for 100, D is for 500, then M for 1000. So these are the 7 alphabets they used to count the numbers. Okay, I for 1, D for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. So remember this carefully. These 7, you have to remember only these 7 alphabets. So it is not very difficult. 7 alphabets, if you remember, then it is easy for you to find the Roman numerals. Okay, now let us learn about the rules to form the other numbers. How to form the other numbers. First is rule 1. Rule 1 is the repeating of symbols. Repeated symbols means addition. If the symbol is repeated, then it means you have to add the number. And when you repeat, you can add only 3 times. When you repeat, you can add only 3 times. Suppose now for 1, this is only 1. Again for 2, this I 2 times. Again for 3, we added this one 3 times. So 3 times we repeat it. So 3 times if you repeat means this is 3. This is 1, that is this is 1, this is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So only 3 times you can repeat. After that you cannot repeat. Again, now for 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Again, 5 plus 2. This is 7. 5 plus 3 ones. This is 8. Only 3 times you can repeat. After that, for 9 you cannot write 4 times like this. It is wrong. So 9 you cannot write like this. Only this is the way you can write. So when you repeat the numbers, you can repeat only 3 times. Again, and all the symbols, these 7 symbols, all cannot be repeated. Only you see here, it is having 5. It is having 5. It is also having 5. So this 5, whichever is having 5, that means 5, L, D. This cannot be repeated. Only 1, 10, again 100 and 1000. Only these can be repeated. These can be repeated. These numbers are 1, 10, 100, 1000. So remember, wherever 1 comes, only this symbol can be repeated. Wherever this 5 comes, this symbol will not be repeated. smaller numeral the left. The left is subtracted. Smaller numeral the left is subtracted. Let me give an example. Suppose here 5 is there. 5. So 5 before 5 we are writing one smaller numeral. So smaller than 5 only 1 is there. So that we are writing left side of the bigger numeral. So if the number smaller numeral comes left side of the bigger numeral, that means you have to minus. This value is 5 and this value is 1. So here you have to subtract. So 5 minus 1, this is 4. So this value will be 4. This value is 4. So I and 5, this value is 4. Now one more example I will give. Now 10 is here. So smaller than 10. Now in the left side I am writing 1. So the smaller numeral is on the left side of the bigger numeral. So in this case you have to subtract. So this value is 10 and this value is 1 and 10 minus 1, this is 9. So the value of this number is 9. This is the way we write. So remember the smaller numeral in the left means you have to subtract. The smaller numeral on the left side of the bigger numeral means you have to subtract. Smaller numeral on the right. On the right means you have to add. Smaller numeral on the right side is added. Now example 5. So right side of this 5 I am writing the smaller numeral I. So if the number smaller numeral is on the right side, that means you have to add. This value is 5 and this value is 1. So 5 plus 1, it is 6. So the value of this number is 6. So one more. Now here the this is a 10 and this is 5, this is 1. So this is a bigger numeral on the right side. 2 smaller numeral is there. This is a smaller numeral. This is a bigger numeral on the right side. 2 smaller numeral is there. This is 10 and this is 5 and this is 1. So 5 and 1 is smaller than 10. So and it is coming in the right side. Right side means you have to add. So 10 plus 5 plus 1. How much is 16? So the value of this number is 16. So right side if any number comes means you have to add. Again 4, 1. 2. Write the Roman numeral. More than 10. More than 10. You have to split the number. Split the number in tens and ones. Tens and ones. Tens and ones. Suppose if the number is there 23. If number is there 23, for that you have to write the Roman numeral. So for this you have to split this number in tens and ones. So this one, how many tens are here? 2 tens are here. Here it is 2 tens and plus 3 ones. 2 tens and 3 ones is there. So 2 tens, we can write 10 plus 10 and 3 ones, we can write 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 10 we write in Roman numeral x. Again for this 10 we write x. For 1 I, again 1 I, for 1 I. So for 23 the Roman numeral is x, x, I. This is 23. Now let me give one more example. Suppose Now 17 is there. 17. So here I told you to split into tens and ones. So if you split into tens and ones, this will be 110 plus 7 ones. 110 plus 7 ones. And this 7 ones you can split this 7 times we cannot repeat the 1. Only 3 times we can repeat the ones. So you have to see in which way we can do. So this one we can take it 5 ones. Now 5 is there for 5. V is there. So we can split this 7 into 5 ones plus 2 ones. 5 ones plus 2 ones. This 7 is separated into 5 plus 2. 5 ones and 2 ones. So now this will be 110 plus 5 1 and 2 1. So for 10 it is x. Again 5 ones it is 5. For 2 ones we write it like this. So 17 is written as x v 1 I. So this is the way we write 17. Okay, this is the way we can form the number. So if you practice only, it will be easy. As soon as by looking you may understand. But if you just to do 1 or 2 times, it will not be practice for you. Practice so many times so that the numbers will be by heart and near mind and you can do it easily.